Hi there, this is Lucius LaFromboise from ENG Suite, and today we're going to jump back into our Excel VBA logic a little bit, and we're going to learn how to use an else if. So what we're doing right now is we're really preparing to make some really cool functions, and else if is one of the a little more advanced things that can really bump it up a notch. So what we're going to have here is, let's say, dim condition as Boolean. Okay, so, and you know what, let's do this. We'll call it condition 1, and then we'll dim condition 2 as Boolean. Okay, so we're going to make sure that our condition 1 is false. Our condition 2 is going to be true. And we're going to use a standard if statement. So if condition 1, we got to do then else if test equals, and we'll say condition 1 was true. And then normally we would say else, and then our end if. And we'll say else if test equals condition 1 was false. But what if you have like a three-prong test where if condition 1 is false, then you want to test condition 2. And if it's false, then you'll return an error, or but you don't necessarily want it to be an and. You want to, like, let's say like if x is less than 10, do this. But if x is less than 20, do this. Right? And if x is greater than 20, do this. Now, you couldn't just test if x is less than 10 and if x is less than 20 to prevent it from doing this. You would want to do them in order. And you could do just an if then. But what else if does is it allows you to sort of jump that second condition in the middle. So, like, for example, we'll say else if, and we're going to say condition 2, then, and then we can execute here. So we'll say else if test equals condition 2 was true. Okay, so let's kind of walk through this. So if condition 1 is true, then return condition 1 was true. Else if, so if condition 1 is false, else if condition 2 is true, then condition 2 is true. Else condition 1, and then we'll say and condition 2 were false. So the only way to get down here is if we fail here and here. So let's see what we end up getting. So here we are in our worksheet, and we're just going to run our else if test function. Condition 2 was true. Okay, what happens if we say true here? Condition 1 was true. Okay, that's cool. But what if they're both false? Well, we know that it's going to fail both, and so we should get condition 1 and 2 were false. Let's see if we're right. Condition 1 and 2 were false. There you go. That is how to step up your game just a little bit more with an else if in Excel VBA. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and please do something awesome.